In game 2 of activity 13, the missing number is a part in an addition equation. Part add part equals whole. So the numbers on the spinner are the part that goes in this position. Karis is here as player 1. You can go first.
Okay.
A part of 2.
2 add 3 equals 5.
Good. I've spun a part of 0, and I'm going to put it here and say 0 add 5 equals 5. And Karis, if you spin,
A 1.
you win.
0 add 5 is 5.
You can only say it but can't place a counter. Same. 0 add 5 equals 5.
0 add 5 equals 5.
I spun a 1. 1 add 4 equals 5. Now it's your turn.